In this video, we're going to learn how to solve this ACT math question easy and fast using the TI-84 plus scientific calculator. Alright, so this question says find the value of x in this triangle below. So guys, looking at this triangle, you can decode that this triangle is an isosceles triangle. Now, an isosceles triangle is a triangle in which the two sides of the triangles are equal. Now, an isosceles triangle is a triangle in which the two angles of the triangle are equal. So if you check, you will see s degree and s degree shows that the both sides of the angles of this triangle are equal. Alright, so to solve this, the sum of the angle in a triangle equals 180 degrees. So you're going to basically sum everything we have in this triangle and equate it to 180 degrees, then make x subject formula. So to do this with the calculator, basically what you have to do, firstly let's reset the calculator to put it in default mode. So to reset, press second button, press the plus button. Alright, then go for option 7, press 1 and press 2, and it will do this for you. Alright, so it's done. Now let's go to equation, solve, and press math, scroll up. So this is solver, press enter. Alright, so our E1 will be 112 degrees, okay, plus x. Alright, then our E2 will be 180. We are equating everything to 180 degrees. So that's it, guys. Let's press the graph button for OK. Then assign x to be 0, very important. So press alpha and enter button now to solve this question. So our x is what, 34, option E. So the correct answer to this question is what, option E. This is basically how you can solve this kind of problem using the TI-84 plus scientific calculator. Hope there's something interesting from this video. Let's call it a video here, guys. If you are new to my channel, ensure that you subscribe to this channel for more of my videos. Also like, share, and comment on this video. Let me know how you feel for what I learned from this video. If you seem to have any specific questions to ask regarding what I've talked about in this video, feel free to leave your question in the comment section below, and I'll be sure to give you a response. Now don't forget to reset the calculator. Once you are done, firstly press second and this mode button to quit, then press second this plus button, go for option 7,